Who is going to do this work?
He's spending $1 billion a year of his personal fortune on a space exploration company he created.
And it's this generation's job to build that road to space so that the future generations can unleash their creativity.
For Bezos, it's always been about one thing: his vision for the future.
I want you to think about this. This vision sounds very big, and it is. None of this is easy, all of it is hard, but I want to inspire you, and so think about this. Big things start small. Thank you.
My dad got laid off.
It's tough because my mom and dad are poor. I live in a shelter. I wish I never lived here. My mom kind of made a wrong turn. I'm hungry.
I know, so am I.
I think when I get older, things are going to get harder than they are now.
People don't realize what they have until it's gone.
Watch
Coming
online
soon
air beginning
on
November 20th.
PBS.